So that is all the components, aside from a few electronics, fitted in to the same silhouette as the existing hand. What's different about this one is that the main wrist motors, all three wrist motors, are now standard size servos, which means they can be much stronger. It means I've had to lose 2 of the micro servos, so for the same total DOF, degrees of freedom, I'm going to have to move 2 up into the hand. So it'll be 10 across the palm now. This actually I think is better, because it'll mean that the punchy knuckle servos are all in the hand, and it'll make the thumb more dexterous, and I really want to work on my thumb. The other difference with this one is that the inside area, the inside structure, is the mirror of the side which doesn't have the raised bump, which is on the outside of the human wrist. It's a very distinctive landmark, so something I want to include. But to reduce manufacturing complexity, this can serve as both the left and the right inner forearm, and then the shell will clip over the top, and that allows it to look really very differently if people wish to start modifying the shells. Add logos, certainly in the beginning. That's the overlap, these little patches. I might do something about that one, which I think it's just something to do with these loops, which I don't think are set up very accurately, so it should be reasonably quick to fix. So that's what it looks like when it's being a right, and to be a left you just mirror the shells. So tiny bit of contact is acceptable there. Really want to see a clear gap through there. These are slightly oversized. These are oversized cutouts as well. Battery cylinders are oversized. Servos are oversized. And then I'm going to use the cavity function to hollow out, and from there sculpt it to fit. So you get pinch points, because as these move around, all of these are live joints, so all the clearances tend to reorganize. So you're really looking to make changes in very small little nudges when you get down to this stage. That one I think is actually flush, and I've slightly rotated the motor to make that battery fit. Et voilà.